Hello and welcome. Today we'll be showing you how to become invisible in Build a Boat for Treasure. So first of all you need to grab a large cannon. I'm just going to get it. You're just going to get inside of it and then delete it. Now I'm going to say hello and it does work. See? And yeah. I'm going to go over to green and haunt them forever and ever and ever and even more evers. I'm going. Oh, actually, how about we just haunt her? Hello. This plot is haunted. No. Oh. Haunted. Ooh. I'll give her a jetpack because I'm kind. Make it invisible. Make it invisible. Make it so invisible. Ooh. Okay, now. And then I might go back over to green. And then make a quick plain thing. Make it. No. Nope. Here. Oh, I'm stuck. No, I'm stuck. Alright, this time it hopefully will work. I need a C. Oh, it's in the ground. No, put it on. Yeah. Okay, launch. Haha. You didn't finish your boat. You go over here and stop. Get off. I'm stuck. Again. Oh, who activated that? I landed. Hello. The ghost of Plot Green. Plot Green. I will haunt you. I will be under your bed at night. Also, please consider liking this video and subscribing. This is new voicing and I'm so nervous when I started. Yo, can't sit down now. She's gonna she has nothing. Okay, I'm gonna jump off because she already okay, that's it.